Node.js is a framework for writing server-side JavaScript applications. It is built on top of the V8 JavaScript runtime and uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model that makes it perfect for data-intensive, real-time applications. Node is often used to build backend services that communicate with client-side applications. These applications get and send data through the backend services called an API. The API serves an interface between different programs so they are able to talk to each other. A web app and a mobile app below can leverage the same API to store data, send emails, push notifications, or initiate workflows on the server. Some of the leading companies in the world use Node in productions like Netflix, PayPal, Walmart, and Uber. According to the information, PayPal was managed to develop the applications on multiple technologies and found that Node application development was twice fast with fewer people, more than 30% fewer lines of codes, more than 40% fewer files. Node serves increased by 2 times and response time was more than 35% faster. On next topic, we will see what is its architecture and how it's useful. Let's see you in the next topic.